Hey friends, it's Mike here, and I want to show you everything about the crop tool inside Lightroom Classic on the desktop. So let's get started. Go ahead and hit R. That's the first one. That's the keyboard shortcut. While you have that selected, you can come over here to the handles and you can left click and drag, and you can go ahead and crop. If you want to crop from the center, hold down Shift, hold down Shift Alt, and you can go in to the center. It'll crop in on the center or wherever you have it. Bing. All right, now if you hit Control Shift Alt R, it'll reset the whole crop itself. Okay, if you're on a Mac, it's Command Shift Option R, and that'll do that for you. Now you can hit O and you can cycle through all of these different layouts. So let's find, here's the golden ratio, right? But it's in the wrong spot. I want the golden ratio to be over here as an example. Well, if you hit Shift O, you can rotate it. Shift O, boom, there we go. We got golden ratio right there. Okay, something else that you can do is you can come up here and you can control the aspect ratio. So I'm going to unlock this and I can go to, let's say, a 1:1. I can go to a 16 by 9, right? And if you hit X, you can change the orientation of the crop tool. So instead of being vertical, now it's landscape. And so now it looks like this is cinema, right? So I'm going to hold Shift Alt. I'm going to go back out. Boom. I'm going to hit Enter, and that finishes it. And then you can hit R and you can go back, and it's non-destructive. So you can hit Control Shift Alt R, and you can restore it right back. So let's see if I'm missing anything. Oh, you can have 4x5, 5x7, 4x3, or 2x3, so you can kind of see. And you have just all these different options. Shift O, let's see, Shift O, Shift O, Shift O. You can also control up through here, but nah, I never do that. So, hey, there's everything you should know about the crop tool. Oh, you can also hit auto, and it'll auto align for you. So, hey, I hope that video helped you, gives you some ideas how to better use the crop tool for your photos and whatnot. So, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure you click that subscribe button to see when I release a new video coming out. So, yeah, thanks. See you next time.